get some. Came out of there a little sideways. Let's get up to speed. So today I'm on a mission. The mission is get as many pretty pictures of the fall colors. Catch everybody up. Shoot, I don't know, 5 months ago, after 28 years, the wife, and that's what I've called her for a long time, we've decided to separate. 5 months later, I have started talking to the most beautiful person in the world. But she is in the military. She is stationed in Texas right now, and she is not getting the fall colors. So I am trying to be a good person, and I'm out in the area that she used to live, and I'm getting some pictures for her. That way, you know, when she gets off work tonight, I can send them to her. So that is the mission today. It is absolutely gorgeous out. Temperature's decent. It's like 60 degrees. Spider's saying 59. I am down. Oh my goodness, I don't even know how many pounds I'm down, like 55 pounds. So nothing is fitting me. My belt's on the last hole, and these pants are not staying on. So every time I get up, you know, I look like a bum holding my pants up. Look at those pretty colors. So, yeah, my helmet doesn't fit anymore. Nothing at all fits. So those are some pretty colors. Oh, I just hit a nut. And no, I wasn't talking about me. And of course, I'm on a road that I normally would not come into this area on because it's a little busier road. I'm on 180. Normally, I would take 374. Oh, look at that, where the sun's on these. That is gorgeous. Okay, Debbie, when I'm done with this video, I will send it to you. And she watches my videos when I send them to her. I got yelled at afterwards because all of a sudden then she watched one of my videos. In her email, she started getting ads for game spiders, and she was like, I blame you. I blame you. And then down the road a little bit further, she started getting engagement ring. Oh, that's really pretty. Look at that. She started getting engagement ring ads. So I was like, it's a sign. It's a sign. What can I say? You know, it just happened to work out. That's a really pretty tree. I dig it. I dig the color. Woo, woo. So I'm editing all the video now where I was probably at the lowest point in my life. You know, so you're gonna see this 2 months later. So the video I've been, you know, 2 months ago. But from that point on, here in the next video or two, we're going to be in Florida. It's going to be a completely different video that I normally make. You're going to see my daughter and I a lot. And then she actually took the GoPro and did some stuff on her own. And now, in the state of health I'm at now, I think I could do it. I would actually force myself to do it. But when I was down there, I could not. So she went to the lighthouse. She took one for the team. Discovered that she is afraid of heights. So some older lady was super nice and walked with her and got her back down from the lighthouse, and that's a gorgeous tree as well. And we got some baby pines, nothing like the southern pines that I love, but you know, one day. And this is what's cool. I think I've finally found that I need to stop saying one day and actually start doing, and I might have the person that understands that and loves adventures. So you know, it's pretty exciting right now. I am not gonna lie, it is pretty darn exciting. And with this person going super slow, look at it, look at this, look at how gorgeous. Love it. Man, I wish she was up here right now. We're not sure if she's going to go on rides with me yet. You know, we're still talking about all of that. I am not giving up the spider. She would never ask me to give up the spider. So, you know, that just shows how amazing she is. Hey, we got liquid, 1 gallon, up, handle with care. We're gonna blow up Bandang, my great hillbilly Southern Ohio twang. That's how we do that. You guys keeping an eye on the colors? Man, this thing runs out good when it doesn't think I'm too. Man, look at this. Yeah, that's pretty. And that's what the problem is down through here. They call them leafers. They come out and look at all the pretty colors, you know, which I'm doing too. But man, you don't need to do like below the speed limit. You can just enjoy it and drive. There we go, people. Now remember, don't do as I do. Drive sensible. Follow all state laws and the little lines marked on the road. Okay? Don't do as I do. Yeah, this is absolutely wonderful, and I do wish she was here to see all of this. And if you haven't noticed, my daughter had the flu all last week, and I've been taking my zinc and vitamin C and D3 daily, and I'm hoping that whatever I have is going to be gone. Look at that. I can't look at all of the colors. I wish I had a better camera than my phone. You know, the GoPro's fine on the chin mount. I don't have a problem with that, but it would be cool if I could actually sit down with a decent camera and take some photos and send them to her that way. You know, because a phone just, it doesn't have the range that I need today. So maybe I will edit this video early and send her a copy. Oh, they're pretty reds. Yeah, that's what I'll have to do. I'll just have to bump this video up, do kind of a live video. Well, not live, but present video. That way I can send it to her, and if she has time, which she has been very nice about, she can watch it and see these fantastic colors. And yes, she will yell at me for how I was writing, but you know, that's to be expected. I want to look left, but I gotta go right. Look at this, just boom, opens up to gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. All right, Debbie, this one's for you. I've never really dedicated videos before. I think this is the second video that I've dedicated to her. It is just, it's amazing and it's fun, and look at that. Holy cow, that's just remarkable. It's just, you know, it's a fun time getting to learn somebody, to get to know somebody. You know, it's very special when someone can open up to you in a way that they have not done in the past. I'm not going to say for example, because it doesn't need to have an example. You know, it's just, she is such an amazing person. And I want to, you know, get out here and get these colors, you know, for her. That way I can send them down and she can, we got a little hawk up there, or falcon, one of those. Yeah, let's get off this road. We're gonna beat this, get on the brakes hard, get in front of this. Watch this Ford coming up on me right there. There we go, there we go. Now I'm on a little quieter road, so I won't have to deal with all the traffic. Yeah, absolutely gorgeous out today. And I will keep this moto vlog going until my voice gives out, which could be any moment now, to be honest with you. Look at that. Holy cow. Let's see if I can get a picture of that. Like I said, that's what this is all about. Where is that Toyota that I just passed? Gotta be safe, people. You know, if I kill myself getting pictures, it's not gonna do us any good. What am I doing? I don't even know how to shift. Howdy. Is that a creek down there? Have we ever looked at that creek? Oh, it's just a super clear creek. That's really pretty. You know, I'm gonna have to deal with that Toyota. He's probably laughing at me like, ha ha, I got back in front of you. I'm banging my nose. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. We'll do it right here. Ah, too bad those cones are right there. You know, we'll do this. We'll put on the hazards and we'll walk. Someone hold my pants up, please. Oh, yeah, yoy. It sucks getting old, people. Don't do it. See? There's the little spider. That's pretty. Oh, I got a text message. I will, man, everything looks so blurry. Why is everything blurry? Does that photo look blurry? Maybe if I put my glasses on. All right, let's see. Keep your eyes shut. Oh no. Okay, I'll be back, people. All right, people. I am back. No need to see personal text back and forth. Sounds like poor Debbie's getting a cold. So whatever this is that's going around, man, I'm telling you. Up, and here are the hiccups. I have not done a motor vlog in years where I have not had the hiccups. I don't know what it is. It is insane. I get it. Like, I get hiccups a lot if I eat something kind of dry and I don't have anything to drink. But just to do a moto vlog, just to talk. What road are we gonna do? Let's do, is this Thomas Road that's coming up? We're gonna do it, people. Just do it. Thompson Road. This is an awesome road off 374. It reminds me of the Blue Ridge Parkway. Oh yeah, look at this. This is cool. Happy Halloween, people. Oh, I dig it. Look at that pretty tree back there. And yes, I know I slowed down almost to a stop, but I tried to keep an eye in the mirrors. No one was coming. I think they would have seen me, plus they would have seen what I was doing, and, you know, they would understand. If not, they would have just passed me, and I would have been A-okay with that. So, Thompson Road, I think this goes into Laurelville. There we go. English, man. I'm telling you, English the last couple days. So, my throat is really starting to get sore, so I am going to let everybody go. Like I said, this goes out to a very special lady who is serving our country in the military right now. You know, special thanks to all of our military people. I know it's not Veterans Day, English, but oh, look at that was really cool, the horses running. But you know, without them, I could not do this. So this also goes out to Debbie. Girl, you are absolutely amazing. So cannot wait for our first date that is coming up here shortly. So on that, give me a big old thumbs up on today's ramblings from a fat guy that is down quite a bit in weight to where nothing fits him anymore, but hey, I'm still a big boy. So I will see everybody down the road. Well, I guess I should say stay safe. Gorgeous. This is a nice place to end the video. Stay safe, everybody. Get to here. I will see you down the road. Now let's get my glove off. All right, everybody. This is probably one of my favorite views when it comes to the Hocking Hills area. It is just absolutely gorgeous. So of course I took a photo, and we'll get that sent off to Debbie. Hopefully it shows up. So I hope you enjoyed the ride today. Everybody stay safe. I'm gonna get back across the road. The old Sabo, the old Spider, look at that. No one's been riding with me forever. The pegs are up. We're gonna have to change that now, aren't we? Stay safe, everybody.